Page 38, 38 страница. It is the TD's duty to recheck the points and to confirm their accuracy with his personal signature. Above all, he checks the correct use of the corresponding F value for each event, presents properly submitted protests to the jury for decision, signs the official result lists provided by the race secretary, and gives the authorization for the awards ceremony, oversees the electronic transmission of the timing report, XML files, and completes his TD report online immediately after the event. He must also check that the results are correct on the FIS website. For more information, see Rules of the FIS points. Presents to the FIS proposals for changes in the competition rules on the basis of practical experience at the event in question. In general, the TD decides on questions which are not covered or are inefficiently covered by the FIS rules, insofar as these have not already been decided by the jury and do not fall within the scope of other authorities. Works very closely with the referee and assistant referee. Has the right to propose to the jury the exclusion of competitors from participating in the race. Has the right to obtain support from the organizing committee and all officials under its jurisdiction in all matters necessary for the fulfillment of his duties. Olympic Winter Games, FIS World Ski Championships, and FIS Junior World Ski Championships. The TD prepares a detailed final report to be sent to the FIS and the organizing committee. Duties and rights of the referee. The referee supervises the draw. At the end of the first round and again at the end of the race, the referee will receive the start and finish referee's reports and any other official reports regarding breach of rules and disqualifications, checks, signs, and posts the referee's report on the official notice board at the end of each run, and at the end of the race, including a list of disqualified competitors, the gate numbers where the faults occurred, the name of the relevant gate judge or judges, and the exact time of the posting. Sends a report to the FIS should unusual circumstances arise or in the event of a serious difference of opinion among the jury members or in case of severe injury to a competitor. Collaboration with TD. The referee and the assistant referee work very closely with the TD, the technical advisor. To support the jury, the Alpine Committee can appoint technical advisors for all categories of races. The technical advisor has the right to express his opinion within the jury without the right to vote.